baye man Ghana mu ha ye me ne wo kase President of the land, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Sabrina wasi jinasi bi amanfo chem say if this is how the NDC government is going to go there, na say 2028 will be very beautiful. Ni nyina ne say ye nyina ye nim say ye ba ne Ghana krodwem a ekuafo e wa hanom say they always have issues any ade, but mampani John Dramani Mahama edin sem bia ba betu dwa say from the look of things ne say the niema ekono say wo mo e ba be supply free fertilizers de ama eye ekuafo a ewo krodwem ha as per ohye this time around no a car ababeto ekuafo so due to eniema ahwere omo producer annual dey enough income and farm mo na say first na nkai bia fertilizer na yede ma omo a they will pay half no say dey the fertilizer na ma omo for free or the same way to ja ebra wo kopie mu ewo eye tankrantwen na yebekwa kotie nsem a wode etudwa yeba yebeto aso
nesi afia etwemu a etwese eduane bebu ya ekwafo bebre aboka nti fertilizer ya kra se afi wei ye de bema ekwafo normally ye the ma omo at subsidized price ye teso na omotua kakra enso nesi ye nti a ekwafo bebre aboka no Makacha Minister of Agriculture say fertilizer no on farmer equipment no free of charge. And I feel we yan to fertilizer no mamo ya de be mamo free.
President John Dramani Mahama ebusia na yekuti nsemu a wode etudwa wokopie mu wo eye tankrantwen sabre no na chese wokodi dwumedie bi ewo ho no ma wokohie akuafo ewo ho na wode sansem we etudwa se no wo mahya ehunu se akuafo no wo mo aboka pa isanse aduane bi ebuso ni ade ama patronage na confirm they didn't make more income and to wait no omahunu se wo se omsutimi bomu no mo beboa ekuafo nti wa kire eye Ministry of Agriculture say asat now ne de ekuani bia no fertilizers a wo mo ekra de aba eye wo man Ghana mu hanum say no yemfa ma wo nyina free a obi a entua a penny or a dime a utimu say the jubilation no enije wo mo anim no na say atadwe wo mate den ne ankasa now okopie mu no somebody asked that tankrantwen de mampani wo koye den wo ho yes na wo bie eye First District Farmer Services Center ewo obi ediamo omo ewo tankrantwen a echiremu a na chese 24 hours economy no na ehyiase a enunti wo mo ekobie na mampani kwa wokoye no ebusia the whole lot of issues are pop up eba now amafo beka ya enche ye bia no na meka say quite 7 months bi munie na chese this same meka ne say government duties CB ede empanimfo bi ewo krodwe mu hanum sei ekopie muosikamando asebe wo mokwa yekonya helicopter crash because na chema plane no ewo issues bi ni ade and to what we were gathering no kra na echemu say plane no obi a nanka nipa na ewo so nko wo sa plane ni mu as at that no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama this time around mampani ankasa ene call this jumedie we ya went to obi a ono akoye but the issue and I say nkomo asese amanfo boni say mampani wa kukudro because me no ka say wo kono what the new meka ne say Ghana Armed Forces for helicopter ibia ben ena wode ekopie mu ewo tankrantwen amanfo chem say enti helicopter crash a wodo ekosu nyina mampani wo nsuro ena wasanya akukudro akwakofo Ghana Armed Forces for wo helicopter de ensem ne de yesuro I mean people are showing so much concern about the president using the Air Force helicopter to tankrantwen a whole lot of issues. Now we have video of mampani ebra wode wo arriving in the helicopter I raise a whole lot of issues and concerns. Yenko na yenko she embraye ba yebeto aso.
to see you all. How are you all doing? Hey, lady, how are you? Good. I go. Hey, that's fine. We watch it. So we go straight. Yes, Minister, how are you? Good to see you all. How are you all doing? Hey, lady, how are you? Good. I go. Hey, that's fine. We watch it. So we go straight. Yes,
Abusia M117 helicopter na Mampeni John Dramani Mahama ediko piemu ewo tankrantwen a sabre de amanfo bebre echemu se ejuma Mampeni ye de na form, because looking at this particular helicopter no abusia ye chiremu a na ebinumu chese it's a new helicopter ne ade but based on research ne ade chiremu a chese wo hodada kra ansa na nti ade nti na Mampeni decide say obe risk life based on said say most of the helicopters, you know, they are not in good shape and a chair any idea and still walk off wabrekwan ko betimi di ni and private jet na ko. You know how Ghanaians sometimes talk about things like this. And no the president, you know, needs to be protected, because looking at bus yo say helicopter yo ebi mo che say airbus, but it's not an airbus no wodi ko piemu ewo tankrantwen no omu chema. It's something that it could bring issues nkawe ya anti asempa ne ekoka ne sen anase ekochire mu sen, and it has caused mixed feelings and mixed reactions ewo internet no. So but hey, Mampeni wakodru ewo asumdwe mu ase de mekan no na it was a launch and na wakwakoye for the first district farmer services center awo mu echema eka 24 hours economy no agenda no eho ena wode ekopie mu ewo hono ma amanfo chem said this is good. Say Mampeni no ho a wo ye adwuma ne ade, but the question we share comment section ni mu, most questions were coming a bit said this adwuma we cry de na nken wo say Mampeni na eko ke we be advice president ne kwa ne wo say nki jama no man de ko. But looking at recently helicopter crash course no, it has caused some kind of awareness. Most people are thinking say the flights Mampeni editu kwai echo other regions any ade no, we should be checking them out carefully, so we don't want to be hearing any details and stories about accidents, crashes and all manner of things, because Osha and 7 months ago we saw an helicopter crash with Dr. Manebuama Nyamefani Kransi and Kashe 4 yaw, and the other compatriots are no omo ewo crash ni mu na anu ya tema. We saw another crash no so no Hebron Prayer Center ne mamienu or Dr. friend saying Pilot Frank any new Elijah, they also got involved. So people are talking about the fact that Presidency people that are in charge of his movements, his flights and everything no, should make sure say all the time no, when it comes to traveling near there with the president, checks must be put in place, because we can't risk it again. And moreover on the internet so now prophecies and a helicopter crash season a day yesre. And if Mampeni has a helicopter and the Air Force then be a chena otimiske, because we can't afford to listen to any bad news again. So these are some of the comments near there up, and some concerns are Ghana for Bibrino raising with regards to the traveling mampeni travel here to Tankrantwen wode military for no wo buses ni mechanics wo helicopter ni be sorry ekokopie mu ho no ma I raise a whole lot of conversation, but at the end of the day no duty was fulfilled. Wakwakoye whatever it was anticipated and as it was in check for him to go and do. Enti President John Dramani Mahama ne kwa wo call ye no de ekopie mu ho and say there everything is in place. They are doing their possible best to make sure the farmers could dream her wo mo ho ebeto mo and everything would go as planned and they will get their fertilizers free and also etu kwanya kwaba in one piece bibia antono, but then cause care should be taken anytime he travels. Now ye be free a year and some way so ebushiana ye movie on to other issues ekoso ewo o my Ghana